Welcome back to Findependence Hustle. It's good to see you again. For the podcast listeners, if you want the full premium experience, this is also a YouTube channel, Findependence Hustle. I'm going to get straight into some apps that will make you money on the side. These are in no specific order, however, the very first app that I'm going to mention is Miles. And the reason that I'm mentioning Miles first is this is a truly passive way to make money. It's a set and forget. However, you're not going to make much. So this is how the Miles app works. You let it access your location all of the time, and in return, they pay you per the miles that you drive. If you drive a lot, this will come in handy. I do drive a lot. I've collected 13,000 miles over the span of a few months, and was recently offered a $5 Burger King gift card, but it's a set and forget. So maybe one day when you log in 25 years, you'll be able to get a full meal from Burger King. I do have a referral code for Miles. You can earn 5,000 miles per referral. I believe that they'll give you some free too. And all of the referral links will be in the description or the show notes if you're listening to the podcast. With that out of the way, let's get into the faster money-making apps. This one is called Fetch, and I actually really enjoy Fetch. You can make more money than Miles. And the way that you do that is by scanning receipts. You can do things like take surveys, which I will never recommend ever wasting your time with a survey, but it is an option. Another thing that you can do with Fetch is you can scan your e-receipts. It automatically tracks things like Amazon purchases, so you can basically get cash back on everything that you buy. There's a few things with Fetch that they do with stores, so if you buy like a certain product or you shop at a certain store, you'll get more based on what you're doing at that store. So if you need to buy something like Axe from Walmart, you'll get a specific amount of points. And the points do add up pretty quick. I've already gotten a couple Amazon gift cards from Fetch. So if Fetch is something that you're interested in, I have a referral code for that as well, and you'll get some free points if you use it. The next app on this list, I've actually done a video on, and it will be in the info card on the top right of the screen. That is the Coin app. I'm not going to go too deeply in this video. If you're interested in the Coin app though, just check out that video after you watch this one, and all of the information is there. Next app is an app called Upside. This one mainly focuses on gas. It doesn't focus as much on restaurants and grocery, but apparently in some places that is available. So check that out if you have that available to you. What Upside does is you scan your receipt after you get gas at participating gas stations, and then they give you a specific amount of money per gallon of gas back. And these amounts can vary widely. A thing that you have to keep on the lookout with Upside is that sometimes they work with gas stations that are actually charging more. And even with the amount of cash back that Upside will give you for using this gas station, it'll actually be cheaper at like a gas station across the street without Upside. Do keep an eye on that. But I have saved a lot of money with Upside. So if you want to use Upside, I also have a referral link for that. And that will be in the description or the show notes, depending on how you are intaking this media. Next app that we're going to be talking about is Slice the Pie. This one I'm not getting too deep in. However, I am going to link you to a video on my other channel where I went deeply into a review on Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a music review application, so you'll write these reviews for music. Some of it's by notable people, some of it's by independent artists, and simply by giving your opinion on what you think of the song, you can get some money for that. It's not a super high-paying app, and it's also not passive, but it is a little bit of extra money. So in the top right corner, there will be a card. After you finish watching this video, go check out that one. Final app. This is the best one. It's actually kind of mind-blowing how more people don't talk about this, because you can actually make a good amount of money on this app. This is Captera. And what they do is, since 1999, we've been the web's leading free resource for business software help. We connect you to insights and software to help you do better work. So what Captera does is they collect reviews from you and me on software that we've used, but they pay you for those reviews. and they pay you a really good amount of money for you to do it. The reviews only take up to a minute at the most to write. They pay anywhere from $5 to $20 per review. And I'm not kidding. The way that you get into this is go ahead and sign up for Captera. Sometimes there'll be a little button on the website that says review anything for $5. Sometimes they'll send you an email. I want to give you a little pro tip here. One of the last things that they ask you on these reviews is, did you replace this software with another software? And you name the software that you've replaced with the software that you're currently reviewing. They'll send you an email. And usually in that email it says, we'll give you $20 to review SoFi, or whatever the piece of software that you were using before was. And I've made a good amount of money. I'm going to show you all of the payouts that I've gotten. I have gotten these payouts in the form of Amazon gift cards. I always choose a gift card, but I do think that they have other options that you can choose. I haven't paid for anything on Amazon, I'm not kidding, in like over a year. I haven't paid for anything I've bought on Amazon. That's how good Captera is. That's why I'm mentioning it last. So hopefully you stayed till the very end. I do not have a referral code for this one, believe it or not. It's shocking to me, it's heartbreaking, but I don't. Come on, Captera, giving you some free promo. Writing the reviews is easy. Please be honest. If you didn't use the software, don't plagiarize a review. Don't do anything sketchy. They're paying really well. Don't ruin it for everybody. If you use the software, be honest about the way that you felt about it, and write an honest review, and only review software that you personally have used, because it's really hard to find money-making opportunities online that pay as well as Captera does. Speaking of getting paid well, if you are interested in an app that gives you 100% cash back on your favorite retailers, go ahead and click the card over to the left. And if you're interested in some side hustles, then click the card to the right. With that, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching or listening. Bye for now. Oh, happy Halloween.